This successful joint venture between UMW Malaysia and the Toyota Motor Corporation Japan over the last 4 decades has paved the way for us to become one of the major automotive players in Malaysia.
Customer expectations are getting higher, and to meet their needs, we built a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant with a 2 billion investment with a land size of 166 acres. Over the years, ASSB employed thousands of Malaysians. During the same period, we have also contributed to a healthy amount of suppliers, with 80% of suppliers coming from state of Selangor.
The initial output of this plant is 50,000 units per year with room for expansions. With ASSB Bukit Raja, Malaysians may expect many more exciting new products with the highest quality from Toyota. This is in line with supporting the government's direction of new vehicle production in the country.
This new state-of-the-art Bukit Raja plant is focusing on energy-efficient vehicle model production. Presently, 2 new EEV models are being assembled here, which is the Vios and the Yaris. ASSB Bukit Raja plant is currently the most advanced car manufacturing facility in the world, with an amazing amount of automation and productivity right here in Malaysia.
In designing the new Bukit Raja plant, several key factors was considered, namely safety, society and productivity. From safety point of view, we designed the promenade to ensure our workers can move between one point to another without crossing any moving vehicle. We have also installed a 2 megawatt solar panel initially, and we plan to expand this in future. Rainwater recycling plant was also built in to reduce dependency from Sabah's water. By the way, we was the first automotive plant in Malaysia to be awarded with ISO 14001 back in 1998.
Our commitment is to deliver the best quality cars to the customer by believing best people makes the best product. Human development is the foundation of Toyota production system. From 2016 until 2018, ASSB has invested about 2.4 million training hours in developing our members.
I'm happy to say that I have been here more than 39 wonderful years. It has been a joy working here. I have collected precious experience. I have been able to provide for my family, and Toyota has helped me grow both in my life and my career.
On behalf of Toyota suppliers community, I would like to congratulate UMW and ASSB Toyota in celebrating the 50 years anniversary. Walking through the past half a century, for many of us, the Toyota suppliers in Malaysia, we had a great journey together building the Toyota cars, and we are indeed very proud to be a part of the Toyota family.
With the ASSB, Shalam and the new Bukit Raja plant, we are looking forward to continuing with many more years of excellence.
This is the future of Toyota production in Malaysia. Imagine, assembled, perfected, all here. 50 years and many more years to come.